Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we're diving into a problem related to C++ 20 concepts. The problem we're looking at revolves around concept subsumption, specifically when dealing with template parameter packs in partial specializations. It's a classic case of hitting a roadblock when trying to specialize a template class with a template parameter pack based on concepts. In terms of a solution, currently, both GCC and Clang reject the code attempting to partially specialize a class with a template parameter pack using concepts. However, fear not, as a glimmer of hope shines on the horizon for C++ 26. The upcoming proposal P2963, already implemented in Clang 19, addresses this exact issue, paving the way for expressing concept subsumption in template parameter packs. So, while we may be facing rejection now, brighter days are ahead in the world of C++ coding. In summary, we've explored the dilemma of concept subsumption in C++ 20 and the challenges faced when attempting to specialize template classes with template parameter packs. While the current rejection by GCC and Clang might seem like a setback, the future holds promise with the upcoming changes in C++ 26. Stay tuned for more updates on these exciting developments in a world of C++ programming. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Happy coding!